Hi, today I'm going to show you how to prepare veggie and pepperoni toasty. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the veggie toasty. The first thing you have to do is take the bread, then cut it into 6-inch. Then slice it crosswise. The other part, keep the other part. Put 3 passes of Chipotle Southwest sauce. $14 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then 3 sprinkles of oregano flakes, 3 strips of green peppers, three strips of onions, three pieces of jalapeno, then toast it, using the toasty button. Remove it from the oven, then put it on the dining basket for dining, and then put 1 tissue paper. Then serve to the customer. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the pepperoni toasty. Three slices of pepperoni, then 14 grams of mozzarella cheese, then toast it. Using the toasty setting, 1 times pepperoni. After toasting, remove it from the oven.
Wow, yummy.
For dine-in, put it in the dining basket, and then for takeout, put it in the bags. Last 1 dish. Enjoy!